All right, let's go pick up the Subi. It's been like 3 weeks since I've driven the car. Got the new clutch in, also new tires. Bam. Check this out. I broke the front lip the other day. I'm hella bummed out. See those cracks right there, and then there's also on the bottom. Let me show you. You can't really tell. I mean, it's all right there. Cracked it right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna end up ordering a new one, or either that or fixing this one. But yeah, this thing is filthy. Check this out. All good. All right. Let's turn it on. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's go drive the car. I'm still breaking in the clutch. All right. This thing's loud. This thing is hella loud. So I'm still breaking in the clutch. I have 108 miles on the new clutch, the ACT Street Series with the lightweight flywheel. Strictly driving the car at night, hearing the Subi rumble, just driving it just so you guys can see what the POV is like. Let me pull it out of the unit real quick. Up. Just got that gauge cluster. I got the new Michelin tires, the Pilot Sport 4S's. So I'm not doing any more tire letters. Oh, that's Amtrak. It's pretty dope. Wonder where that's going to. Let's do a little 360 walk around. Check out that fitment. Hopefully it's all right. Not rubbing yet. I know this one, I need to raise it up just a little bit more because I don't want to mess up the tire and the fender. Seems like it's a little too low. Listen to that straight pipe. Oh my goodness, you just smell that E85. Over there. It's actually very sensitive, so I gotta be careful. I stalled it a couple times already. Still getting used to the new clutch, but so far so good. Big shout out to Horsepower Industries for hooking it up with the clutch install and taking care of a few other things. I gotta get out because I can't reach. Bumpy. See if we can hear that rumble. Long time no hear of the rumble. Let's wait for this guy to go through. Infamous STI gauge cluster with the red, cherry blossom red. Let's do a little little pull, nothing too crazy because I'm still braking in the clutch. See if we can hear that turbo. It's 15 pounds of boost right there. See if you can downshift again. Brake boost. That was alright. Not bad. Still 15 pounds of boost. Not going all the way down. Turbo noise. It's the bypass valve noise. Hopefully the sound sounds good. Is pretty good so far. Liking the new tires. I think my alignment is also good. I don't know if I need one because I drive straight, goes in a straight line.